Start with a circle. Then you're going to start on one side, go up, loop around and back down, and do the same thing right next to it, or two big floppy ears. Do the same shape on the inside of each ear. A circle on one side and then one on the other. Circles on the inside. Make a small upside down triangle in between. From the bottom, make a J and then a backwards J. On the side, you're going to go down, loop around and back up for the body. 2 letter U's on each side for the little arms. And then we're going to have a bent leg that curves around to the bottom, on the side around, and then down to the bottom. Then where they connect to the body, you're going to add another little loop for the feet. Add a little fluffy tail. Color in the eyes. And then you can add any other kind of details that you would like. No eyelashes. Add a little Easter basket too.